Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe for future updates. Show best iPhone 6's case for you. Number 1. Luxury Armor Metal Aluminium Waterproof Phone Case for iPhone. Fully protective iPhone case. Easy access to controls, connectors, speaker and camera. Silicone cover, tempered glass. 4 color available: black, red, gold, white. Now offer 30% discount rate 18.55. Link on description box. Number 2. Genuine cow leather and plastic. 4 color available: black, brown, blue, and wine red. Heavy duty 360 full protection metal aluminium case. / made of cow leather and plastic. Now offer 11% discount rate 13.34. Link on description box. Number 3. Genuine cow leather and plastic. 3D disc in luxury hard case. 100% natural python leather. Great protection from dirt, scratch and damages. Now offer 20% discount rate $10. Link on description box. Number 4. 100% natural cowhide leather. Great protection from dirt, scratch and damages. 100% handmade process. 100% brand new and good quality. Now offer after discount rate $11.88. Link on description box. Number 5. Natural leather phone case for Apple iPhone 6's. Great protection from dirt, scratch and damages. Simple and light. Full protection. 3 color available for choose. Now offer after discount rate $11.88. Link on description box. Number 6. 100% original Spigen liquid air armor case for iPhone. Case made by Flexible. Now offer 5% after discount rate $16.14. Link on description box.